Hi, this is Ricky Sun. I'm Pi System Consultant. In this video, I'm going to talk about what is MCP, Model Context Protocol. And it is not related to Pi, but it's related to AI. MCP is a new standard for AI, large language model, to connect to it so that you can build AI agent. Build AI agent in the past has been a nightmare. And if you're just using ChatGPT, let's say you are trying to pull data from a database, right? Without MCP, you would have to make a direct connection to the large language model. It will be so many integration to ChatGPT in the past, right? And this become like a spaghetti problem. This standard is meant to solve the integration problem between software that has data with the ChatGPT or the large language model like DeepSeek as well, right? I think it has been like half a year already, but I didn't realize that until Walker Rano talked about it. I'm like, he said, we must learn MCP. We must. I can sense this energy of how important this is because this is like another standard that it's going to be worthwhile for a while to think about how to integrate our software with the large language model. Like if you open up ChatGPT, you just ask something and then it give you something back. It's like you type in a question, it give you a response. It doesn't do much. Let's say you want to input, like you just copy and paste some document in it and then give me a summary, right? It doesn't help you send an email. It doesn't help you. How do you pull the data from a traditional Microsoft SQL database or even talk to Pi, right? How do you do that with ChatGPT? You can't. Like you have to copy and paste data into the chat every time, and then every time it forgets stuff. Like you have to insert a new chat on the specific data and you throw it in again, right? It doesn't have memory whatsoever. In the past, if you want to build something with the large language model, you have to have countless hours of integration, right? It's point to point, right? It's a lot of engineering hours to build integration. Now, with MCP, Model Context Protocol, it has memory as well. So you could leverage MCP to keep the context. Let's say what you have been asking in the past, it can retain that, what you asked, and then it keep using that to feed it into ChatGPT or multiple large language model. You don't have to use ChatGPT. You could use other stuff. You just tap your different large language model into your MCP, then it could do that. Tap into different large language model with MCP, and then also connect to your source. It could be Pi, and build application like Pi Agent. It's much simpler now with the standard. It is getting mature. It's still very new, open source, but it is getting mature to start pay attention to it because, you know, as Rano said, we must spend our time and energy starting to know how we can leverage MCP with the large language model, because we have application with the data, and also, you know, with the Pi system, you could build agent with the Pi system to like an AF and all that. What you have already built, use MCP, you could build your application easier, and then it just seamless, better integration, easier. You have a standard, not a lot of integration with direct prompt with the large language model in the past. And now, you know, MCP server, people are talking about it. It's a growing topic. I was just starting to learn it, and I just want to share this video with you to give you an idea. This is like important. This is something that is going to be happening a lot more. People will see the value of it and build agent from this, and there will be opportunity also for startup to build agent. And also I want to tell Aviva should look at this and then build integration from MCP so that their application of the Pi system or Aviva system, whatever, is going to be more valuable when they are using MCP with the large language model. Thank you very much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. I'll see you next time. Bye.